Let's get nerdy. All right, so here we got, we're going to substitute in stuff for x. It says write it as a trigonometric function of theta. Okay, so that means we have no more x. X, you're gone. What are we going to do with that x? We're going to take this and we're going to plug it into the x. Okay, so let's see what we get. We get 4 plus, what is that, 2 tangent theta. And we got to square that foo. And he's inside of square roots. Okay, what is that? What is 2 tangent theta times 2 tangent theta?
4 tangent squared theta.
So we get 4 plus 4 tangent squared theta. Okay, so you know what I'm surprised about? Like I've done this 2 other times for the other classes, and they all said the same thing. Did you guys notice that too? Did you notice that you could take the 4 out right away?
Yeah.
I was like kind of surprised that you guys could see that so quickly. Because I thought that would come with more practice, that you guys wouldn't catch that right away. Okay, so actually, because we have multiplication, we can split this up. We can go the square root of 4 times the square root of 1 plus tangent squared theta. Okay, and so that square root of 4 is going to be a 2. Man, I wish that plus sign was not there. If that plus sign was not there, I can get rid of this tangent squared right here. But oh, dang. Is there an identity? Is there an identity with a 1 plus tangent squared theta? Oh, come on. You guys didn't think about it yet?
Yeah. Or cosine.
Okay, here. Let's write it out really quick. We have sine squared x plus cosine squared x. So if I want tangent, I got to divide by cosine, right? So I divide this by cosine squared x and this by cosine squared x. I get, what is that, secant squared x. And then this right here, sine divided by cosine, that's tangent. And then cosine divided by cosine, that's 1. There's your tangent squared plus 1, just like what we got right here. So what can I take this out and replace it with? Yeah. So we have square root of 4, which we know to be a 2. And then we're going to do square root of secant squared x. So we get a 2, and then we get a secant x, and then we done. Hey, what? That's crazy. So this is the same thing as 2 secant x? Weird.